Hello dear teachers. This video is created to get everyone understand that how to use Google Docs for creating question papers. There are certain type of questions available in a question paper like MCQ, fill in the blanks, matchmaking and other short answer type, long answer type. There are multiple questions and even worksheet based question papers are available there. For all of those question papers, you'll require to use certain tools which should be available online, which should be updated live, and there are certain other benefits related to Google Docs. So we are learning in this particular video how to use Google Docs. Let's start. So first of all, the working margin, the working area should be identified. Go to File, Page Setup, change the paper, that is A4. Now 0.3, 0.3, 0.3 and 0.3 is the margins from all the sides. That's it. Now I am having a bigger margin area, lesser margin area and bigger working area available here on the paper. Now I'll go insert table, 3 columns. First column to represent the question number, third column will represent marks, and the center column will be question particulars. Here it is, question number, question particulars, and here it is marks. Now question number 1, I'll show you how to create the MCQ questions and how to create the tables for MCQ questions. Here it is question number 1, and if you want to give a main part like section or other thing, you can go with section. So here it is section A. After this section A, choose the alignment center, make it bold, Control B. Now move to first part of the section A, that is multiple choice questions. Now under the multiple choice question, we want to create question number 1. See, when I press last space, then it has converted into point number 1. So I don't want point number 1 here, I just want 1 and dot. So I'll do Control Z. I'll write my question, whatever the question is. After that question, I'll go to insert table and choose any number of columns and rows which I want to give for the options. Say suppose 4 by 1, that is 4 columns and 1 row. Here it is. If I want to go for question number 2, I can mention insert table 2 by 2. For the third question, if I want to go for 1 by 4 table, let's have it. This is 1 by 4, that is 1 column and 4. If you see the alignment, see it. This is the center, again this is the center, all are going perfect. So here these are the things. If you require some adjustment, you can do the adjustments here. Now moving towards the space, select everything, go to this line and paragraph spacing, press it here and go for 1.5. If the question paper is created for some junior classes like pre-primary sections, give more space by 1.50, and even you can give more space, that is double. So by increasing the space length, you can increase the overall, you can control, increase and decrease the overall length of the paper. So I am going with 1.15. This is very genuine, 1.15. Now these are the questions, MCQ multiple choice questions. If you don't want to create all the multiple choice questions 1, 2, 3 in one single row only, so just put a tab here. Question number 2 will come this side. That is question number 2. I just copied and pasted it. Then again tab. Now question number 3, I'll just copy and paste it here. This is question number 1, 2 and 3. This space is of no use, so you can go there, reduce the size to 1. Again this space is of no use, reduce the size to 1, and here it is again 1. For the marks, you can mention individual marks. This is 1 mark, this is 1 mark, and this is 1 mark. So it is so easy. After creating everything, when you completed your MCQs, you completed everything, you can go and reduce or change the color of the border to white, which disappear. It looks like there is no table available. So you can change the color from white to black and black to white. Again, when I press A then bracket and then space, it is again converted as a bullet point. So I'll do Control Z. Second, again B. Third, C. And fourth, it's D. So these are the options. You can copy these options. A, it is B, I'm using mouse here, C, and here it is D. Done. Now question number 3, you can go with A, B, C, and D. You even can create these sorts of things and keep it with you for the future reference. Now moving to the next section, this is question number 2, or you can create a new section. You are just going with the question number 2. Here it is, fill in the blanks. Now create 2-column table, keep it here. The first column will represent the question number, and third column will represent the question where the student need to do fill in the blanks. Here it is, again 1. Next question can be a true false question, where you require 3 columns. Insert table, 3 columns are required there. First one going for the question number, and the last one to write true or false. So here it is 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the 4 questions, and at the end you will go and make a line for writing true or false. I'm just copying and pasting it. This is one. So these are the simple techniques related to table. Here again you can do this table border disappear. This is again disappear. Again this is disappear. You need to do for individual items individually, disappear. Here again disappear. And for the overall question paper, do this, disappear. So it will looks like a proper question paper which is available everywhere, but it is more organized, more in a better way you can present your question paper. So I'm keeping all the lines available here. When you fill overall data, the questions and everything, it looks so good. Now moving towards 4th type of question, identify the pictures and name them. So there is a picture available, and for that picture you need to represent a name. Suppose I'll take some flowers. So insert table, I'll go 3 by 3 or 3 by 4. Here it is. At the first level I'll give a flower. At the second line I'll give for a flower. In the second line I'll give a space to represent what is the name. So for that reason I want certain images. Go to image section, insert image, or you even can go to this area. This is the insert image option. Insert image, upload from computer. If any image is available in your computer, you can upload it. Search the web, online you can search. Drive, if a photo is available inside your drive, you can go with that. Photos, your Google Photos are available by URL or by camera. If camera is available, you can click and insert it. First of all, you need to identify what should be the quality of the photo. Here, if your printer is like color one, you can go with the colored photos, but if the printer is black and white only, so don't choose or don't select the colored photos because it is of no use. Second thing, clarity of the photo must be a perfect one so that the student is able to understand what is there in the photo. Third thing, if you are choosing a multiple colored photo, the print may not be good. So before selecting the photo, please adjust it. Let's select some photo. Here, insert, search the web. So I'm searching a particular flower, lily flower, line art. The line art only gives me the lined lily flower. So it is lily flower lined art. So I'll just click on that. Just check whether the photo is all clear or not. So this is lily flower. I click on it and insert. That's it here. See, whatever the size of that lily plant will be, lily flower will be, the accordingly the column size will not increase, but the row size will increase, and let it inserted into the particular space. You double click the picture, crop the sides so that the flower picture can get adjusted into the available space if there is any requirement. Even from the bottom you can do this, and it's so easy. There is no need to copy anything, there is no need to search anywhere else, and you just can do it easily. Now I'm using the different one. Here it is again. Search the web. Line art photos are good enough. Rose line art. So it's so simple. Just do search, and search will represent you the data, the images, and just double click. It's all here. This is flower. Once it is done, if you want to go for the same, like both the picture and the name should come at the same page, so reduce the size of the pictures so that the next line can come here. Give the space, give the particular line here at the bottom, align and copy and paste. That's it. For the photos, even you can change the alignment, center, and here it is center. So it's so easy to use the photos here in Google Docs. Now once once the photos are done, change the color of the table and it's all good. Identify the picture and name them. That's it. Now moving with the drawing tool. Here it is. If any excessive lines are available there, right click, delete raw, right click, delete raw. If any table is excessively available, suppose this table is available, I don't want this particular table to be here, I want to add a different table, I'll just right click here, delete the table. Clear? Next, point number 5, question number 5. Here it is, using the diagram or the drawings from this, or even what we can do, let's take one photo from the web. Now this time we are not using line art photo. Let's see, search the web, and here it is, bird body parts. This is a question where we are getting body parts of the bird. So here these are, and I'm selecting this one. See, these are the body parts in a different language. I just try to find something more suitable here for me. Body parts, and let's see, here it is, this one. Again, whatever the language is, there is no issue with the language, but we don't want to show these body part names here. So what to do? Copy this, go to insert, drawing, new. Fine. Most of the teachers, what they do for any drawing, they refer paint, and that is a good tool. But if it is something is available better, you can try for this also. And this is two-way ahead than the paint. Here is the image. You can move the image anywhere. Then select a shape, because I want to hide the names and create some create some certain shapes available here. This is it. Background is white. This is black, and here it is done. I can name it 1. Fine. To make the question number 1 related to this image. Identify what is 1. What is that 1 number? Here it is 2. What I am doing, I am pressing Control, dragging it from one place to other. Here it is 3. Then again drag it. Here it is 4. Again drag it. Here it is 5. That's it. So whatsoever, like the other numbers you can do by yourself in the same manner. Now save and close. Let's see the result. Here it is. So whatever is available now everything is completely fixed. 1 2 3 4. At the bottom, what you can do, you can give the names here. I'm coming to this area. This area my cursor is. Insert table, and here it is, like you want to ask what is 1 2 3 4, and you want to save the some space. So go like this. This is first. This is for 4 5 6, and this is for 7 8 and 9. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Give us particular line underlined. Paste, paste. Here it is, paste, paste, paste. Again, paste, paste, and paste. Now remove the border. Done. So when you are creating the question paper and you are having one image, you can insert the image like this. You can create some question again. Identify the parts of the bird and name them as per the number. So this is again a good tool to insert images. Images are all clear. Always create or always use a line art image, and even the transparent background images you can go with. What are the transparent background image? I'll just show here. So go to image section. I'm closing this table properties. Go to image section. Here it is, search the web and Apple transparent background. The transparent background images do not have any sort of background. See, you need to search the transparent background images, and these are more clear images available. Let's see, let's try whether any image is a transparent background or not. Let's see this one. So the result is wow, but yes, but it is not a transparent background image because background is available there. It is a background, but the picture is too much clear. You can go again, image, search the web. You already have searched it, and let's try whether it is a see, if you can see this transparent background image will contain image, search the web. A transparent background image will contain this kind of texture at the back side. So here it is. Let's have one more thing. It will convert the earlier image and paste it here. Now this is a so clear image available. You can use this image. You even can resize the image, make it low size, and you can insert this image into the like 7 by 1 or 8 by 1. I'm just putting it here, copy, and putting into these, copying it. Sometimes you have the number of like how many fruits or how many units of fruits are available, so you can mention this. So I'm in the column number 1. Here the student will give the answer, the final answer. This is it, done. For the maths counting, copy, just I'm doing copy and paste, paste. This is it, just delete it. And after completing your task, see, raw height is completely auto adjusted. This is done. After completing the task and writing the question, count and write the number of fruits at the end. Done. After everything, do a right click and table properties, table border should be nil. So this is looking so good that you are having these sorts of questions. Now you can do one thing. If you want to add the question number, now it is a very tricky part, that how to add a question number here. Go to the first section, right click, insert column left. Now insert it. Column number 1, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it's all messed up here. Fine, this particular column has created a mess in the overall space. I'm removing the mess here. Just check how to do it. I reduce the size of column number 1. I'm selecting these all columns from here. Right click, distribute columns. Now this will distribute the columns evenly. Fine. This column is a different one. These columns are different one. Whatever I am selecting, whatever columns I am selecting from here to there, this will distribute the columns accordingly. Distribute columns. Now I change the size of this area. Done. Done. Again I'll do right click, distribute columns. Alignment of these all is center, and that's it. Now change the table border to white. It's looking so good. It is so well arranged, and these are the points which will be useful. So here in this particular video, we already have learned how to create the tables, how to line them white or black, how to create multiple columns in the table, how to add columns. Suppose I want to add the columns, or I want to divide this particular column into 2. I can do split into 2. It's split. I can adjust by dragging the point, dragging through the cursor, and I can do these kind of changes. So here are certain things along with the basic of understanding you can use, and you can convey whatever are the missing points. I hope the video was quite understandable and quite useful for everyone. Please try to go through once with Google Docs. I am loving this Google Docs as it is showing me more and more options daily, and there are multiple, like it is connected to Google, it is connected with Google, and it creates lots and lots of things. It provides us a like artificial intelligence level of things, so we can use it and we can create our level, we can upgrade ourselves in a better level of understanding. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected. We'll share a new video related to a few more options that we can choose. Thank you so much.